weather for today really is the news for the day. Much of the state under a no travel advisory, blizzard-like conditions, as a blizzard warning will kick in this morning at 9.
So it's going to be slipping and sliding more and more so in and around the Fargo-Moorhead area as the day wears on.
And from the National Weather Service, the weather looks like this. 1 to 9 inches of snow. Yeah, 1 to 9 inches of snow in the FM area. That is officially a blizzard warning as the wind kicks up, gusting to near 50 miles an hour. It'll be consistent at 30 to 40, but then gust at 50. So blizzard conditions, blizzard warning through 6 tonight.
The wind will cause reduction in visibility. So there's a blizzard warning that kicks in mid to late morning. It runs until 6 p.m. So steadier falling temperatures, snow, blowing snow. Northwest winds gusting up to near 40 miles per hour by later this morning through the afternoon. Not a nice day.
If you're new to the FM area, welcome to winter. Travel when it gets like this, not advised for the most part until you're even going to be a seasoned veteran, right?
Strong winds all day today. The blizzard warning continues until 6 p.m. tonight, and near whiteout conditions will continue rural areas north of Highway 200 up into northeast North Dakota and northwest Minnesota through the day into the overnight.
I'm in North Dakota for my first time ever. I felt very welcomed as I went under the welcome sign, so that's nice. I've noticed so far 10 snowplows in about a 3-mile stretch, all going eastbound on I-94. I have noticed 0 snowplows going westbound yet, but I'm also going the same direction and perhaps near the same speed as them, so that's probably why I haven't seen any yet. So here's to getting some good B-roll up here in Fargo.